The twin flame connection is one of the most profound spiritual bonds in existence. Unlike other relationships, it transcends the physical and dives deep into the realms of energy, emotion, and spiritual unity. At its core, this connection is a mirror of your soul, a reflection of your innermost truths, fears, and joys. It is a bond that speaks in whispers of intuition, in unspoken understanding, and in moments that seem to defy explanation. When you experience illness or moments of physical or emotional unwellness, the depth of this connection reveals itself in extraordinary ways. You might wonder how your twin flame perceives your struggles, especially when they are not physically present or aware of your condition. The answer is both surprising and deeply reassuring. By the end of this video, you will understand how your twin flame feels and responds to your state of unwellness, revealing layers of spiritual, emotional, and energetic dynamics that define this unique relationship. Let's start. When you're unwell, your twin flame doesn't need to hear it from your lips to know. The twin flame bond is energetically sensitive, functioning like a finely tuned instrument. Your energy field, your aura, carries vibrations of your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. When you fall ill or experience emotional distress, your energy shifts, and this shift sends ripples through the connection you share with your twin flame. Your twin flame often feels these changes in subtle, intuitive ways. They might suddenly experience unexplained fatigue, sadness, or even physical symptoms that mirror your own. These sensations may manifest as a sense of unease or an inexplicable urge to reach out to you. While they may not always consciously attribute these feelings to your condition, their soul recognizes the energetic disturbance and reacts to it instinctively. This ripple effect highlights the interconnected nature of twin flames. It serves as a reminder that your bond exists beyond the physical plane. Understanding this can bring immense comfort, especially during challenging times. Knowing that your twin flame is energetically tuned to your state reinforces the idea that you are never truly alone, even when separated by distance. The emotional resonance between twin flames is unparalleled. When you're feeling unwell, your twin flame often mirrors your emotions, either consciously or subconsciously. This mirroring isn't just a reflection of your feelings, it's an expression of the deep empathy that defines your connection. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or in despair due to your illness, your twin flame might find themselves experiencing similar emotions without fully understanding why. This emotional mirroring can sometimes be intense, as the connection amplifies both joy and pain. However, it also opens the door for profound healing. Your twin flame's emotional empathy allows them to hold space for you, whether they are consciously aware of your condition or not. Their soul senses your need for comfort and support, often guiding them to act in ways that provide solace. They might reach out unexpectedly, offer words of encouragement, or simply hold a sense of unconditional love for you in their heart. This emotional resonance is a powerful reminder of the compassion and understanding that underpins the twin flame bond. Illness often brings feelings of vulnerability and isolation. During such times, the spiritual aspect of the twin flame connection becomes especially significant. Even when physically apart, your twin flame's soul remains intertwined with yours, providing a source of unseen strength and support. On a spiritual level, your twin flame intuitively aligns with your healing process. Their higher self may engage in acts of spiritual care, such as sending you love, light, or healing energy. You might sense their presence in moments of quiet reflection or during dreams, feeling as though they are with you even when they are not physically present. This spiritual support transcends the limitations of the physical world. It is a testament to the depth of your connection, a bond that exists beyond time, space, and circumstance. Understanding this dynamic can be a source of immense comfort, reminding you that your twin flame is always with you, offering strength and encouragement from the spiritual plane. One of the most surprising aspects of the twin flame connection during times of illness is the potential for physical manifestations. Your twin flame might experience symptoms that mirror your own, even if they are not consciously aware of your condition. This phenomenon is rooted in the energetic and emotional link you share, which can sometimes blur the boundaries between your individual experiences. For instance, if you're suffering from a headache, your twin flame might suddenly feel pressure in their own head. If you're dealing with fatigue, they might notice a drop in their energy levels. These physical manifestations are not just coincidences, they are a reflection of the interconnected nature of your bond. While these shared symptoms can be confusing, they also serve as a reminder of the profound unity between twin flames. They demonstrate that your pain and struggles are not yours to bear alone. This physical mirroring can deepen your appreciation for the sacredness of your connection, inspiring you to approach your journey with greater compassion and understanding. During times of illness, the twin flame connection reveals its remarkable ability to transcend physical and mental boundaries. The heightened intuition between twin flames becomes a bridge through which unspoken needs and feelings are understood. Your twin flame's soul level awareness doesn't rely on verbal communication or visible signs. Instead, it picks up on the subtle shifts in your energy. This level of connection allows your twin flame to intuitively align their actions with your well-being, even if they cannot articulate why they feel compelled to act in certain ways. This intuitive alignment might manifest as an instinctive urge to reach out and offer support at the perfect moment, provide soothing words, or simply check in to see how you're feeling. Even more astonishingly, this connection often works on a subconscious level. For example, they might feel drawn to send a kind message or call you during a difficult moment, seemingly by coincidence. However, these coincidences are anything but random. They are guided by the deep, energetic resonance between your souls. From your perspective, you might notice a sense of comfort or reassurance, as if their presence is with you in spirit. You could find yourself thinking about them more often, or even feeling subtly guided to explore self-care practices, seek medical help, or engage in activities that contribute to your healing. These inner nudges are reflections of the telepathic dialogue that flows naturally within the twin flame dynamic. This two-way street of intuitive guidance is a reminder of the sacred reciprocity within your bond. Each partner plays an integral role in supporting the other's journey, even during times when physical separation or life circumstances seem to create distance. This understanding not only deepens the spiritual connection between twin flames, but also fosters trust in the unseen forces that guide your journey together. Unconditional love is the purest and most profound aspect of the twin flame bond, a force that remains steady and unshakable even when illness disrupts your life. Unlike other forms of love that might waver in the face of hardship, the love between twin flames serves as an anchor, grounding you in the understanding that your connection is eternal and unbreakable. This love is a direct expression of your shared essence, transcending the physical and emotional challenges of the human experience. When you are unwell, this love radiates toward you in ways that often defy logical explanation. It may manifest as an inexplicable sense of warmth, comfort, or safety, even if your twin flame is unaware of your condition on a conscious level. This is because their soul operates from a place of pure compassion and care, responding instinctively to your energy and state of being. The result is a sense of being held, not only by their presence, but also by the love that flows between you. This unwavering love teaches an essential truth, that your value is intrinsic and does not depend on your physical state or ability to perform. Illness often brings feelings of vulnerability, weakness, or even guilt about needing support. Yet, through the lens of unconditional love, these moments become opportunities for deeper self-acceptance. Your twin flame's love encourages you to let go of self-judgment and embrace the understanding that you are deserving of care, compassion, and nurturing, no matter the circumstances. This love also serves as a powerful tool for healing. While it may not cure physical ailments, it strengthens your spirit, reminding you that you are not alone in your struggles. Through this connection, you are continually reminded of the infinite capacity of the soul to give and receive love, an insight that can carry you through even the most difficult moments with grace and resilience. The twin flame journey is deeply intertwined with self-discovery and healing, and this becomes especially evident during times of illness. The mirror effect, a phenomenon where twin flames reflect each other's strengths, wounds, and unhealed aspects, takes on a unique significance when one partner is unwell. Your twin flame becomes a mirror not only for your emotional state, but also for the deeper spiritual imbalances or unresolved issues that may contribute to your condition. When you are unwell, their reactions, whether subtle or overt, often hold clues about the aspects of yourself that need attention. For instance, if your twin flame expresses concern for your well-being, it might highlight a need for you to show greater care and compassion toward yourself. If they seem to withdraw or struggle to process your illness, it could reflect unresolved fears or vulnerabilities within you that are asking to be addressed. This mirroring is not always comfortable, as it often brings suppressed emotions or neglected areas of your life to the surface. However, it is precisely this discomfort that holds the key to transformation. By leaning into the insights that arise from this process, you can begin to address the root causes of your illness, whether they stem from stress, emotional wounds, or spiritual disconnection. Your twin flame's role in this process is not to fix you, but to act as a catalyst for your own healing. Through their mirrored response, they provide an opportunity for you to look inward and align more fully with your authentic self. This healing is not one-sided either. As you address and heal your imbalances, the energetic shifts within you also benefit your twin flame, fostering growth and harmony within your shared connection. In this way, illness becomes not only a challenge, but also a profound opportunity for mutual evolution and deeper alignment with your soul's purpose. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, but in the twin flame connection, it becomes a gateway to unparalleled intimacy and understanding. When illness strips away the layers of pretense and self-protection, it reveals the raw, unfiltered essence of who you are. In the context of the twin flame journey, this level of openness can be profoundly transformative, offering a rare chance to deepen your bond on both a human and spiritual level. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable in your moments of illness is an act of courage and trust. It invites your twin flame to see you not just as a partner, but as a soul navigating the complexities of the human experience. Their response to this vulnerability often reflects the depth of their love and commitment to your connection. Whether they offer words of comfort, physical assistance, or simply hold space for you without judgment, their actions reinforce the strength of the bond you share. This exchange of vulnerability is not one-sided. Your openness encourages your twin flame to embrace their own vulnerability as well, creating a dynamic where both partners feel safe to express their true selves. This mutual authenticity strengthens the foundation of your relationship, fostering a deeper sense of trust, empathy, and unity. Illness, while challenging, also has a way of resetting priorities and stripping life down to its essentials. It forces you to confront what truly matters, and in doing so, it often illuminates the sacred nature of your twin flame connection. The act of leaning on your twin flame during such times is not a sign of weakness, but of profound trust in the bond you share. Through this process, you come to understand that true strength lies not in perfection or independence, but in the willingness to be seen, supported, and loved in your most vulnerable moments. This realization not only deepens your connection with your twin flame, but also fosters a greater sense of self-acceptance and inner peace. In this way, illness becomes a catalyst for growth, intimacy, and a renewed appreciation for the sacred journey you are on together. In finishing, the twin flame connection is far more than an abstract concept. It is a living, breathing thread that binds two souls across dimensions of existence. When illness or unwellness enters your life, it acts as a unique lens through which this bond reveals itself in extraordinary ways. It is during these moments that the nature of your connection becomes a profound source of reassurance and wonder, highlighting the intricate dance of energy, intuition, and love that defines your relationship. Illness, often perceived as a solitary struggle, becomes a shared experience within the twin flame journey. This doesn't necessarily mean sharing the same symptoms or emotions, but rather navigating an interwoven energetic reality that reflects the sacred unity of your bond. In these vulnerable times, your twin flame's responses, whether conscious or unconscious, serve as reminders of the sacred connection that continues to evolve and strengthen, even amid challenges. Beyond the specifics of emotional resonance or energetic alignment lies an even greater truth. The twin flame connection transcends physical reality. It teaches us to trust in the unseen, to embrace the mystery of an unexplainable bond that constantly works for our highest good. Moments of illness are not just tests of strength or opportunities for healing. They are gateways to a deeper understanding of how interconnected and eternal your bond truly is. These experiences open a doorway to a greater truth about your twin flame journey, that it is an unbreakable force guiding you back to your true self, your soul purpose, and the infinite love that resides at the core of existence. In these times, illness also teaches invaluable lessons about surrender and self-compassion. The twin flame bond reminds you to accept your humanity while honoring your divinity. It calls you to trust in the spiritual support that flows through your connection, even when it cannot be seen or logically understood. It challenges you to redefine strength, not as the absence of vulnerability, but as the courage to embrace it fully, knowing that you are supported in every way by your twin flame and the greater universal forces that guide your journey. As you move forward, let these moments of connection during illness be a touchstone for the depth of your bond. Trust in the enduring presence of your twin flame's energy, even when they are physically distant or unaware. Remember that this journey is about more than just union with your twin flame. It is about the union within yourself, the alignment with your soul, and the recognition of love as the ultimate healing force. Through every experience, whether joyful, mundane, or challenging, your twin flame connection serves as a constant reminder of the boundless potential for growth, healing, and transformation. Illness, while uncomfortable, offers a surprising window into the beauty of this connection. It reveals that love, in its purest form, does not waver in the face of hardship. Instead, it strengthens, supports, and uplifts, carrying you through life's complexities with grace and purpose. This realization, perhaps more than anything else, is what makes the twin flame journey such a remarkable path of spiritual evolution.